Oh, this is reminding me of the good old days, the early days of natural foods. I have sprouted bread, green and legume, lettuce, a couple kinds of sprouts, broccoli, and these pea shoots, some homemade baked tofu, and I'm adding just vegan mayo and tahini. It's just what I feel like. Sometimes I like adding mustard. But this is reminding me of the early days when I was much younger, back in the 70s, when I first had serious, like real whole wheat bread with a bunch of vegetables, sliced cucumber, red onion. Okay, at the time there might have been some white cheddar cheese, but hey, I was young and it was just so amazing. I loved all the earthy, gritty flavors, especially of really good whole wheat bread that was so dense that you can't find anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna have a quick lunch of a sandwich today.